look at it. There's a bunch of them. Later, bros. Well, bros, just driving to the spot, and we see like 5 goats. So we go to U-turn and get a picture. They all jump through the fence, and then we look, and there were like 10,000 of them. So that's pretty cool. Bunch of goats. Alrighty, folks, we are at the first spot. There's a TP. Now let's just see. Can we get hooked up? Alright. Hopefully right here is the juice. I caught 2 at the spot. Oh, dude, did you see that? He hit it. That was so epic. I gotta be ready this time. Oh, he ate it again. I see the Rockies under. Alright, come on. He's right there. Boys, buddy here has got me wrapped. I can still feel him on. Oh man, no. Yes, he's still good, folks. Oh yeah, Mr. Trout. Mr. Trout, man. Oh yeah. Oh. That's pretty cool. Got him. Bros, I just had another strike at the next spot. Come on, this is happening. Spent 3 years getting unsnagged, bro. You don't even realize. This dude needs to eat it again. Once again, was not recording. Well, trout guy. Shoo-hoo. Come on, I just had another strike. Oh, heck yes. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh my God, I wasn't recording. I caught a micro fish. Please, please stay on. Oh, this never ends well. Oh my God, there's so many trees. Just come here, bro. Get in the boat. Sir. It's not as dirty looking that way. Yeah! Except this one's a micro fish. That's alright. Fish I had on was like quite a bit bigger than that. That's another baby carrot, but you know what? I'm still having fun here. And I hope it actually saves this time. I made a great we caught like 7 the other day, and none of the clips saved. It was so sad. My dad's hooked up. This thing is just going away. Where is he? Oh God, he's just running.
There you go, good.
There we go.
Oh,
whoosh. And just like that, folks, we are done fishing today. I caught 4, my dad caught 6, in a total of 10. We absolutely killed the game today, and I hope we can do that again soon. So stay tuned and fish on.